Ugh. That gym, man, get fat. Ugh.
You look so serious.
Here's a man get fat. So man, there gym. Ugh. Ugh. That gym, man, get fat. Ugh. So this is what you have to deal with when you have kids. You get the homework. So Amik's homework was to build a police station, a model of a police station. This took me one entire day to build. I put some love and effort in it, so check it out. A police station. See my police car. And I put windows. So a lot of work. Amik speed, police. I get fixed up.
By
So
Dr. Daniel.
we're slowing down the process, right?
We are.
We're slowing down the process.
We're actually going to focus on the areas that do grow, so that we reduce the pace of the hair growth and ultimately diminish hair growth in its entirety. So I always tell people it's not hair removal, but it's hair reduction.
Yeah. Right.
All right, I'm pain reduction. You have any pain reduction
That
thing?
too. This is not that
Enough painful,
bad.
enough
It's
painful.
not.
So guys, and these are all videos of Asafa Powell having a very nice time. So let me hear your opinion about the video you just watched, and also do not forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.